So when you come again into designing of spaces, one of the most things that are debated and discussed is around the placements of underground water tanks. The reason being, in Vedic Vastu or any Vastu logic generally, this has a very, very important placement, and the wrong placement of it or placed in the wrong zones can actually reap a lot of negative repercussions and harmful hazards. But to be honest with you, today I'll be giving you the basic understanding of what are the favorable zones, what are the unfavorable zones, and what are the okay zones that you can use for actually going about placing your UGTs or your underground water tanks in your site or your space. First, let me cover and help you understand what are the favorable zones. Your north, your northeast, and your east are some of the favorable zones as to where you can go about keeping your designing or having your underground water tanks. The reasoning of it is a very long thing, so I'll not be taking it up here today. But yeah, these three are the major fundamental zones that actually are favorable for having your underground water tanks designed. Second, what are the unfavorable zones as per Vedic Vastu to avoid your underground water tanks are your south, your southwest, and your southeast. These three are a big no-no, and out of these three, specifically your southwest is a big no-no. Not just your underground water tanks, but if you have wells or any dug pit areas in the soil, this is going to be a huge no irrespective of it. And even having a water body here with a huge pit dug in and all is not considered auspicious. And now that you've understood the unfavorable zones, let me go to the okay zones that are there. So generally I would say this is more than okay. It's best to avoid, but if there are no options that you can keep in the north, northeast or your east zones, then you can go about choosing this. The first part where you can choose is your west zone, and the second part or the zone that you can choose is your northwest zone. Again, these, when having pits dug in for especially having underground water cans, do have a little bit of negative repercussions, but remedies can be done to reduce its ill effects to a certain extent. But in a designer's perspective, as much as possible, if you have the possibility of actually having you designing a UGT for any house or a space, choose the north, northeast and east directions at all costs.